Did you know the average person loses about 15 socks every single year? Not misplaces, loses, permanently. Where they go is the question this episode intends to answer. And the answer, it turns out, is not where the laundry machine would have you believe. More on that. So the socks really are vanishing. The numbers confirm it. Over a lifetime, the average person loses roughly 1,264 socks. That is a number large enough to fill a small room. A room no one would choose to live in, but a room nonetheless. In the United Kingdom alone, approximately 84 million socks go missing every single month. This is not a rounding error. This is a national condition. About 21 billion pairs of socks are manufactured worldwide every year. The industry has, apparently, priced the losses in. If the scale is undeniable, the next question is whether anyone has figured out why. Scientists built a mathematical formula called the Sock Loss Index, specifically to predict how many socks a person will lose. A formula for socks. The research continues. The study found that how much a person dislikes doing laundry directly affects how many socks they lose. Avoidance, it turns out, is quantifiable. Roughly 1 in 3 people are, at this very moment, walking around in mismatched socks. They have adapted. This is the next stage. About 73% of men wear socks almost every day, compared with only 41% of women. More exposure, more losses. The formula holds. But the formula points somewhere most people never think to look. Some research suggests more socks go missing in the bedroom than in the washing machine. The machine was never the culprit. It was simply the last place anyone looked credible. The laundry machine was never the mystery. Your bedroom floor had the socks the whole time, as expected.